You don't need to pay $20 a month for premium AI tools. Google AI Studio offers most of those premium features with a generous free tier, while many other platforms keep them behind a paywall. In this video lesson series, I'll show you how an everyday non-technical person can use this underrated AI tool to work more efficiently and become more productive. So, let's get started with our first introductory lesson. First things first, search for Google AI Studio and open the first result. You'll need a Google account to sign in. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create one. As you can see, the interface has a left sidebar, a right sidebar, and a main workspace in the center. In the left sidebar, we have the Playground button, which takes us to the playground, where we'll do most of our day-to-day work. Next, we have the New App button, where we can create custom mini-apps. I'll show you how to do that in a future lesson, so make sure to follow this series. We also have the dashboard, where your API keys are stored. An API key is like a digital password that allows one software application to securely connect and communicate with another. With tools like ChatGPT and Claude, you usually need a paid plan to access API keys, but here they're included in the free tier. Now let's click into the playground here. You'll see several cards for different functions. For example, we have the code and chat card, which you can use to build agents and chatbots. We have the image generation card for creating images. The video generation card lets you create videos. The speech and text card allows you to generate speech from text and even create music. And we have the real-time card, which lets you share audio and video in real time. For example, you can share your computer screen with AI Studio and ask for guidance. Think of this as a free, all-in-one creative studio. Down below, we have the chat bar, where we can chat directly with AI Studio. If you click the Tools option here, you can enable additional features such as Google search integration and support for URLs that you include in your prompts. On the right side, we have the option to choose which Google AI model we want to use. As you can see, there are different types of models available, such as Gemini models for coding, reasoning, image generation, audio generation, and video generation. One important thing to note is that not every model is available on the free tier. Some models require a paid plan. For now, let's select Gemini 3.1 Flash. You can see the System Instructions panel here. I'll show you how to use it in the next lesson to maintain a consistent brand voice. We also have a thinking level dropdown. Let's set it to high for now. There are some advanced settings available as well, but if you're a beginner, don't touch them just yet. That's enough of the introduction now. Let's see how powerful AI Studio really is. Did you know that Google AI Studio gives free users a 1 million token context window? No other major tool, such as ChatGPT or Claude, currently offers a context window this large on a free plan. If you're wondering what a context window is, think of it as the AI's short-term memory. It represents the maximum amount of information the AI can read, remember, and work with during a conversation. In practical terms, you can upload roughly 1,500 pages of text at once without the AI getting confused or forgetting important details. It can easily handle massive reports, market research data, company documentation, or campaign histories. Click the plus icon to upload a file. Let's upload this Google Annual Financial Report, also known as a 10K report. You'll be asked to acknowledge a notice. Simply click Acknowledge. The file will begin uploading. Once it finishes, you can see the token count here. As you can see, it contains more than 55,000 tokens. That's quite a large document. Now, I'm going to give it a prompt asking it to summarize this PDF into 5 bullet points. One thing to remember, unlike many other AI tools, pressing Enter won't send your prompt. Instead, press Ctrl plus Enter, or simply click this button. Now, let's wait a moment. Here are the results. AI Studio has summarized the entire report into 5 bullet points. From this summary, we can see that Google plans to acquire several companies this year and continue expanding its data center infrastructure. That's enough for our first lesson. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to use system instructions to create LinkedIn posts from company announcements while maintaining a consistent brand voice in AI Studio. So, don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care, and bye.